Buckle up, folks. Kia has unleashed its latest marvel onto the roads, the Sportage Plug-in Hybrid X-Line Prestige, a vehicle so electrifying it might just give Tesla a run for its money, or not. At first glance, the stats are impressive. With 34 miles of all-electric range and a turbocharged powertrain boasting a combined 261 horsepower, it's certainly not lacking in oomph. But hold your horses, or should I say, hold your charging cables, because there's a catch, or several, according to the fine print. Sure, Kia boasts about its class-leading rear cargo room and second-row legroom, but take a closer look and you'll see that these claims come with more asterisks than an overly excited typist's keyboard. According to Kia's disclaimers, the actual range of the Sportage Plug-in Hybrid will vary depending on everything from driving conditions to the alignment of the stars. And as for that class-leading cargo room and legroom, well, it turns out those claims are based on a comparison that's about as reliable as your uncle's fishing stories. But wait, there's more. Kia generously offers a whole host of incentives and potential savings for EV owners, promising everything from state and local incentives to maintenance and fuel savings over 5 years. It's like a magical money-saving rainbow, except instead of gold at the end, you might just find yourself buried under a mountain of terms and conditions. And let's not forget about Kia's technological wizardry, from dual panoramic displays to blind spot view monitors and remote smart parking assist. It's enough to make you feel like you're piloting a spaceship, albeit one that's occasionally prone to glitches and malfunctions. But hey, it's not all skepticism and snark. Kia's Sportage Plug-in Hybrid does have its merits. The promise of adventure with confidence, backed by Kia's class-leading 10-year per 100,000-mile warranty, is certainly enticing. And who wouldn't want to roam the highways with 16 standard collision avoidance and driver assistance features at their fingertips? In the end, whether the Sportage Plug-in Hybrid lives up to the hype or falls short of expectations remains to be seen. But one thing's for sure, with Kia's electrifying offering, the journey promises to be anything but dull.